can take the block with the wall. अगर आपको you can continue. So you have to drop the knee on the block and just take the half lunge position. आपको ये half lunge position आपको ये लेना है इस तरीके से. Adjust the distance adjust कीजिएगा, front leg knee ankle align कीजिएगा. And now first you make yourself comfortable. After that take your hands on the wall. When you start this practice, so take your hands a bit upside, थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर ही रखें. Breathing के साथ जाइए, inhale, lift the spine. Exhale के साथ you just try to down, a little down. Make sure keep lifting your spine. Inhale, come back, and exhale down. You can give this movement. After practice by practice, you can try to put your hands down. Again, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So this is a very good practice to work, open your shoulder and your upper back.